Anyway, that was a good one. Rob Frazier here. This video, what I personally promote on Infinity Traffic Boost. First off, Infinity Traffic Boost is Bitcoin in and Bitcoin out. That being said, the people who are surfing the traffic exchanges know a little bit about Bitcoin. So on this particular site, I like to promote my Bitcoin affiliate opportunities that I'm involved in. So here in the back office, on the left side, click on Promote Pages. You'll go to this side right here, scroll all the way down, and you can see my 3 Bitcoin opportunities. Actually, 2 of them are Bitcoin opportunities, and 1 of them is just a traffic strategy. So, Mega Marketing Pro, the system designed by Edward Keat, free to join. That encompasses, at this point in time, Pariba and Elevate Pass. That is combined in Mega Marketing Pro. I promote my Mega Marketing Pro capture page. I'm going to just click on it just so the folks watching can see what that is. The second thing I promote, if I can get this thing off my screen here, is my traffic strategy. All that simply is just my perpetual traffic plan combined with Ahmed Ali's 3-hour cash system. That's the second thing I promote. And the last thing, the third thing I promote, is iCoin Pro. iCoin Pro, if you don't know anything about Bitcoin, iCoin Pro will teach you, and it'll teach you how to trade it. So those are the 3 main opportunities that I promote here on Infinity Traffic Boost, and I get solid results doing this. And it's very simple. Whenever somebody joins me in any one of these programs, I say, hey, the very first place I'd recommend you get traffic is here, Infinity Traffic Boost. Also Infinity Traffic Boost, you join free, you surf 10 ads every single day, you'll start earning Bitcoin. Just that simple. That being said, just trying to think if there's any disclaimers I need to say. You know, it's all based on company sales. All of the Bitcoin that you use to spend on advertising is backed up by the company. Took me a long time to kind of come across something solid right here, but these are the 3 things I promote here on the site. This right here is the main thing I promote, Edward Keat's Mega Marketing Pro system. And it just becomes like a Bitcoin wheel. Whenever I earn a little bit of money in Pariba or one of these other opportunities, I'll withdraw it and I'll put it in Infinity Traffic Boost. That'll give me more traffic. More traffic gets me more signups, more money. I'll take a little bit more of that money. I'll dunk it into my trading accounts. I'll trade. I'll put a little bit back in advertising, and it just becomes a big wheel. And you know, I'm actually thinking about just promoting this outright first off. And it's a very simple traffic strategy, very simple process. All of my sites are here. Very simple, straightforward, log in, surf my ads every single day, call it a day. So that being said, wrapping this video up. We'll see you in the next one.